It's Miranda from Essentially Elevated. I wanted to talk to you today about Terrazyme. This is one of my favorite doTERRA products. um, it is a supplement, and you can add this to your Long Life Vitality pack of vitamins for only $20. But it is basically to help us digest our food. So today's day and age, with all of the chemicals and processed foods that are around, having enzymes to help our bodies process to break down those foods is super important. So we're not all perfect, but even if you are a perfect eater, you have other factors contributing to maybe your digestion needing some help. So maybe you're gluten intolerant and accidentally ate gluten, or maybe you have an allergy that you don't even know that you have that exists. These help break down those fats, break down those foods, and help your body absorb them better. So I'm here to talk to you today why I take Terrazyme and why I love Terrazyme. So I take one or two before each meal. I also work on airplanes too, so we all know what airplanes do to our digestion. And this actually just helps me break down food better and help me kind of keep weight off, help my skin look better. I tend to break out, so when I take these, it helps my body absorb the good nutrients from those foods and use them and convert them into good stuff. So it supports healthy digestion. I have a couple notes here because didn't want to miss anything, but it supports healthy digestion and metabolism of enzyme deficient processed foods, supports conversion of food nutrients to cellular energy, and promotes gastrointestinal comfort and food tolerance. Supports healthy production of metabolic enzymes. So we all have little silica in our intestines, and they grab nutrients from the food we eat. And these enzymes just help wake those silica up and grab the good stuff. It helps just sluggish movement in your body not be sluggish anymore, is basically what that means. It also contains the doTERRA Tummy Tamer blend of peppermint, ginger, and caraway seed. So if you have any occasional discomfort in your intestines, this is a great supplement to take before every meal. If you forget, take one after every meal to help break down that food as well. I also take one in the morning when I wake up on an empty stomach to help digest any food that was left in my belly from the night before. It's great for those midnight snackers, if you know any of those. It is safe and effective for gluten intolerant folks. It contains proprietary blend of 10 active whole food enzymes. So you'll find a few of these ingredients in here. It lists everything on here, and I will list those ingredients, but each one of these performs a certain function to be able to help you digest food better. Who couldn't use more of that? So this is one of my favorite things. It's not glamorous. It's not an oil, but it has oils in it, and it's an oil product, and I love it. If you have any questions on Terrazyme, if you want to get your hands on any doTERRA, there's some great specials going on this month. Just message me, and I'll let you know what they are. And as always, you get a little welcome bundle from me just for joining my team. Have a great day, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.